Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity of how the two go hand in hand. And I love sugar. If you've seen my blog posts, you probably know that sugar is one of my favorite food groups. And while it's not great for you, it's actually used in skincare a lot. One of the most popular techniques is sugaring, which is a hair removal process using a sugar-based paste. That's what I'll be trying today at Sugared and Bronzed, and then I'll be going home to make my very own. Nothing like a little sweet pain to liven up your day, am I right? Seriously though, pray for me. This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. Some may say I'm a sugar addict, and they're not wrong. And while I know sugar can be harmful to our bodies if we eat a lot of it, it actually is really beneficial to our skin. Yes, sugar is a natural provider of energy and even considered to be an excellent mood booster, but it's important to watch your intake, especially if you've got a sweet tooth like I do. When applied to the skin, however, it's a great natural exfoliant. It can be used on your lips, to wash your hands, on your body as a scrub, and even before shaving for extra smoothness. Now, I've always been a shaver. I've tried other forms of hair removal and I'm not a fan. But my friends have been raving about sugaring, and considering how much I love this stuff, I'm bound to enjoy this, right? Let's go find out.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, I'm Mindy. I'm a sugarista at Sugared and Bronzed. Sugaring is actually a lot better for the skin than waxing, and the reason why is because it's not kept hot like wax. What that means, it doesn't actually adhere to any live skin cells. It does adhere to the hair itself and the dead skin cells, but it doesn't actually adhere and remove the live skin cells. So it's actually a better option if you do have sensitive skin. So you're just gonna kick off your shoes, and you can just put your stuff over there. Okay. Yep.
The only thing I've gotten waxed is my eyebrows, but I've gotten laser hair removal too, and that's fine.
I feel like if you can do the laser hair removal, this shouldn't be any worse as far as like the pain level goes. You'll feel it, it's not great, and then it's just kind of over just as quickly.
I'm so nervous, okay.
So we're just gonna apply the cornstarch.
Flour me up, throw some Crisco on there, let's get it going. We're committing with this long streak, we really are committing. We're doing it.
Ready?
No.
All right.
Damn. Oh, sugar, as they say. Oh my God, my whole leg.
Yeah.
That's so good. Yay.
Came out pretty nicely.
Like a baby's bottom. Okay, I love sugar again. This is cute. It's been a few days since I got my legs sugared and they're feeling super smooth, but now I'm going to sugar my armpits. And I'm gonna do it a little differently this time. Depending on what part you're sugaring, you can do 1 to 2 cups of sugar. I'm doing 1 cup, and then 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I don't have a juicer, so I'm just gonna go for it. And then we're doing 1/4 cup of water. So now you whisk. Ooh, feels like candy in the making. Once it's all whisked together and the ingredients are combined, you can turn on your stove and heat it until it boils. So now that it's bubbling, I'm gonna leave it like that for about 5 minutes, and then it will have a golden consistency and will whisk away. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. To prevent the jar from cracking because the mixture is so hot, I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and that should make everything better. Looks like caramel. All right, I'm gonna let this cool for about 20 minutes. You let it sit at room temperature. Don't put it in the fridge because you don't want it to harden. And now we're going to do the sugaring. So I have a metal knife because it's easier to clean, and I was so bad at the ball technique that I decided to use strips from an old t-shirt. So I don't have too much hair, so I'm hoping this will be painless. So it's got a sticky taffy-like consistency, which is similar to what I saw at Sugared and Bronzed, but it's a little thinner. You know, I've never been good at doing anything in a clean fashion, so, all right. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, you may need help from a friend. This feels so weird. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Oh, I'm trying to figure out which lovely fabric strip is the best. Pop it on there. Holy sugar, as they say. Let's go for it. I'm gonna rip it off. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. I'm honestly so proud that I grew that much armpit hair. That didn't hurt at all. I'm shocked. That was not bad. Whoa. That's impressive. Yay! Woohoo! I am so surprised at how great this was. My hair is gone. It was so easy and it's so inexpensive. I'm definitely going to do it again. Guys, my loving relationship with sugar was really tested this week. I've talked to tons of girls who say that that doesn't hurt, and I'm like, who are you? Please teach me your ways, because that hurt like sugar. But personal pain aside, sugaring is a great alternative to the harsh chemicals and heat in waxing. I recently got a wax done and my skin broke out like crazy. So I do appreciate sugaring because it's great for people with sensitive skin like me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Would you ever try sugaring at home? Let me know in the comments below. To subscribe to Food Network, click here. To see more videos, click here.